How to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. So your first step would be to open up the Snapchat profile by opening it up and clicking on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner. Once you have done this, go ahead and open up your settings by clicking on this gear icon, which is at the top right corner of your settings menu. Now, once you have, go ahead and find your two-factor authentication by scrolling down till you find two-factor authentication. So go ahead and click on this option. Now, once you have selected this, go ahead and disable it by toggling off the SMS verification and the authentication app. So go ahead and turn these off. That way you can easily turn off your verification. But you do have to understand that there are security risks, as turning off two-factor authentication makes your account less secure and easier to access if your passwords get stolen. So make sure to save backup codes before disabling. So before you turn it off, your recovery codes should be saved. That way you have backups just in case. And then once you're done, go ahead and confirm your changes, because once disabled, Snapchat will no longer ask for the verification codes during your login. All right, guys.